Lance is here.
You got that.
I don't know why I was so nervous. Your turn down's really good still.
I have a little whip off. All right, overall, I won. Who did a bigger whip, me or Uncle Cole? A couple of those jumps I went a little far on.
Yes, that officially means you're washed up. Welcome to the club, brother. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're headed back out to Wyvern again with the 250 and the 450, but this time Lance Coury is meeting me out there. Lance and I have been best friends since we were 5 years old. We've been going out to Wyvern since we were about 15 years old, so 15 plus years. He hasn't been on a bike in almost a decade, so I've been trying to get him out here. I've been trying to get him back on a moto, but it's taken a little bit of convincing. So today's finally the day. Spin some laps, have some fun, see how Lance does on a moto. He has a X Games gold medal, X Games bronze medal. He used to flip and do all kinds of combinations upside down. So, but yeah, we'll see how the day goes, and we'll check in with you when we get to the track. Lance is here. Yeah. We're gonna throw some water down to clear that up, dude. Look, full factory setup, bikes all ready to go.
And then dusted you guys out.
And then dusted me out.
Sorry.
Yeah, you're welcome.
What do you think, dude? Watch.
Oh, bro, your bike's all ready to go.
What do you think?
I want to do the electric bike like that.
You want some warm up? You think this is the original table that I bought like 25 years ago?
From 25 years ago also?
No, that's not my stand, but I definitely bought a table like this 20 something years ago and left it here.
So your ramps are still here? All of them?
Yeah, that red one.
Probably like 30 grand in ramps.
Is that the Wyvern logo one? And that orange chain on it? I also bought at Home Depot like 25 years ago.
Isn't that so people can jump in the foam pit?
Yes, we wrapped with a PVC pipe around it. Pour the gas in and see if it looks.
Yeah, it looks pretty mixed.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's mixed for his bike already.
That looks disgusting. And it smells disgusting.
You want a drink?
No.
We forgot your shoes, dude. Mama's gonna go run and get you shoes.
What kind of program we're running around
Here
here?
you go.
You don't got no gear?
I even I brought like mountain bike knee pads.
I brought you knee braces.
I didn't know, I don't have anything.
Homie's got his own Red Bull helmet from back in the day. You still a Red Bull guy?
Yes. Once a Red Bull guy, always Red Bull guy.
Oh,
I brought some fresh goggles. I bought these for mountain biking and I didn't use them.
All right, we got you underwear.
Underwear, dude?
Yeah, dude. I don't want you stinking up your street chonies.
What?
I brought you knee braces if you want to wear them. Got you some socks.
Dude.
All right, you want to wear red or black?
Black. I got my Thrashin jersey.
So
Oh,
okay.
I'll just wear whatever pant. Yeah, perfect.
And I got you boots. How's it feel to be geared up again?
Courtney was telling me when we were driving in here, I announced to the family that we were pregnant with Luca here. So that would have been 8 years ago. I don't think I ever brought her here and rode freestyle, so she's 7. forgot that.
It scares me.
I'm about to do it just from like my old memories. I built that.
First time I jumped this one after like 10 years of coming here, it was really flat and I went to flat.
I feel like if anything, we'll go to flat.
Yeah, I did that and blew my front wheel out.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think you need to go that fast.
No, I don't
honestly.
think so either.
We're not going that fast on that one either.
Yeah.
I just kind of went to flats on the ramp.
I almost want to like go like here, not do the line.
Come on, bro. Whatever you hit, I'll follow you off.
Hold on. I don't know why I was so nervous.
How was it?
It's easy. It's like a little flow and then a pat at the bottom.
All right, I'll follow you.
It's poppy.
Yeah, it is.
It hits really good.
I didn't even look at it. I just like looked at your bike, listened to you, and went.
Like you never left.
Dude, I definitely feel more comfortable already for sure, but
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, my nerves.
Dude,
This bike, the way this bike's geared,
it's really long.
it sucks on that little jump.
Yeah,
Like,
I hit it in first on that bike.
yeah, like
Yeah.
in second, it wants to bog out. All right, guys, I got an idea. Hey, style. This is for style, okay? I'm gonna hit it by myself. Raymond's gonna shoot the photos. Then you hit it by yourself. He's gonna shoot the photos. Have a little whip off.
Off the first one or the second one?
Both.
Okay, because I got you on the first one for sure. You got me on the second one though.
All right, let's just like try a little harder, like put a little more effort into it. All right?
All right.
Let's see what we can get out of it.
Oh, dude, he's stepping it up. He has a really good turn down or turn up or whatever it is. That makes me nervous. Your turn down's really good still.
How'd I do, boss?
That's good. I was surprised. You cranked it a little harder on the first one, so I'm like,
same thing though. If the gearing was better, I have to wait so long
Yeah.
to get into the takeoff.
Dude, that's the thing too. When I follow you, I like my moto like racer mentality is to go through jumps.
Yeah.
So I'm like kind of fast, and then soak it up. When I follow you, I'm like slow, brat,
Yeah,
like everything at the base.
Freestyle.
Yeah.
It's so hard. It was so hard to like do speed and style because you wanted to go fast through stuff, and then you get to the ramp, and then you're like, all right, slow down.
Go high. Yeah.
All right, give me that camera. I'm gonna go get you over there. All right, overall, I won because I can do a way better jump whip off of that. I didn't tell them that yet. I told them, overall, I took the win on the whole run. But let's go look at what Raymond shot and see what we look like on this jump.
Yeah, I'm doing a turn up. You're doing a turn down, which like
I get way more sideways.
Yeah, you get more sideways.
Yeah.
I get more like pointed up, but
Yeah.
I don't really know how to turn down very well. I never learned that.
Isn't that interesting how like there's certain areas that he would smoke me on, there's certain things that I do that he can't figure out or like it just isn't comfortable with, and it's just wild.
If you win this contest, then we're going over to the Supercross track. We're gonna hit a set of whoops really quick.
Dude, I rode one lap on the Supercross track just like to warm up.
Yeah.
It's so dry and broken down and just like pebbly.
Yeah.
It would be scary to try to like actually ride that thing.
Yeah.
Just so you guys know, my kid still has no shoes, and we've been riding for about 45 minutes, and he's angry and wants shoes, and my wife's out looking for shoes right now.
Everything is mine.
Let's go check it out.
On the bike.
I know.
What's up, dude? You look ready to ride.
All right, Lance, who did a bigger whip, me or Uncle Cole? What?
Hey, this is my biggest fan right here.
I like Daddy more.
Watches all the
You like
YouTube
mine?
channels.
Whose jumps and whips were bigger? Yeah?
Because you turned on that one.
Yeah, see, even she notices it. Here comes the camera. You're at the same angle off the middle jump. My guy wants his shoes real bad. Why? Because you don't have any shoes?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, look at this turn down.
You get good on the turn downs, dude.
Okay, that looks like a boner airplane there. Do you think a couple runs, do you think that you can get a couple turn downs in? Like, why don't you give the next couple runs where you practice?
Practice the turn down?
Yeah.
The only thing is I think I turned down this way, the same way as you.
Yeah, that's how I'm doing now.
But I whipped this way. That's what's confusing me. Like, I don't even know which way I turned down. I know I turned like this way and I whipped this way.
So just kind of like feel it out. Like my first like second and third jump where like I started to just float that jump and feel good.
Yeah.
I like started doing like not a turn down, but like that was the flow of my bike.
I think Cole wins on the first jump.
Okay.
It's hard because you guys have two different styles.
Yeah.
So like, I think Cole's looked better on the first one, but you completely annihilated him on the...
I'm gonna admit defeat.
So you're getting it a little bit under.
Yeah.
More than I am.
A little bit.
Okay guys, I'm going back out there and I'm gonna try to get a little bit more under it. And Cole is gonna try to do a turn down. I would rather probably wear these. Boom. Look, they match your gear. Done showing little Lance the reins on the Supercross track. It was kind of funny watching Cole ride the PW50. But with that being said we were going to, he was gonna work on turn downs and I was gonna work on getting under it more on that dirt takeoff. So Raymond, behind the camera, you're gonna stand on that takeoff to the right of it, and then you could follow us with this camera off that one and this one. I think it should get a decent angle of both.
Yeah.
And if you chase it also with the still photo camera, you should be able to get a good profile and idea of how both of our whips are looking. Because Cole's kid's at home, only like maybe 4 weeks old?
3 today.
3 weeks old today, and he needs to get back to her. I want him to just keep having fun here with us. See, because once they get my kid's age, they can stay all day. I have to say your turn downs are better than you think.
Yeah, the thing is I'm afraid because I've gotten stuck in a turn down before where I like don't carve enough off the lip and it just keeps rotating and I have to like muscle it to not crash.
Yeah, it's like not fluid. You can tell you're like fighting it.
Yeah.
Dude, when I followed you like this last time, I almost landed on you on the first one. And then the second one I was like, slow. Go slow, go
and
slow.
I took off.
And then you took off, and then like I couldn't whip, like my whip got awkward because I didn't get into it, you know?
Yeah, you go slow and then fast off the lip.
Yeah.
I go fast and then like just a little blip off the lip.
Yeah.
Completely different. It's like racer style.
It's hard when I'm trying to whip. It's easy when I'm just following you to go straight.
Yeah.
But if I'm whipping, my throttle is so much different.
The difference is too, you have more power than me.
Yeah, way
like
more.
you have more snap. I have stiffer suspension, which is better, but like I'm down on power and down on torque.
The blip of a throttle on this first one means the landing or like facing this over
Yeah,
here.
I know.
All right, we've been hitting the same stuff. So I'm gonna turn and hit this one technically like the same length, but it is a different lip, a little bit different whip style because you can kind of come into it more.
Looks a little steeper too.
Yeah.
Maybe get a little bit more out of it.
Let's hit it. It's a whole new jump, a whole new roll in. Another one for the day. Well, first of all, I got a ton of wheel spin going into it, but you can go like 15 feet up the hill.
Yeah,
I kind of
like pitch it up the hill.
I kind of flat landed, but I'm gonna come into a little harder and like get into it.
Carve a little harder and go right.
Yeah. this suspension on this bike,
So
when I
soft.
land on this, it's like, oh, I'm like scared to land. I'm like, ah, gosh.
Well, if it's any consolation, this is like, it's geared for Supercross, so that's like, it feels like longer. So I gotta go to third.
Oh, no way.
So I'm like kind of between like the top of second and like the top of third's way too fast.
Yeah, so for me, I'm like getting into it in second, which feels really good.
But then you're going high and just like
I'm going high
landing.
and like, dude, the knee braces pinching the bike when I land.
Yeah.
My knees are finally, they're baby knees. They're not used to this. They're starting to get bruised, I could tell. It's starting to hurt.
You're gonna be so sore tomorrow. All these muscles you haven't used in 8 years.
Yeah, it's wild. All right, we'll get a couple more for the camera. That's nice though. What are you thinking, bro? Have you had enough of me?
I can see the rust falling off. Little by little, there's less and less. I think we need to get you a 25, bro.
Yeah, I think we're ready. I think we're ready.
Okay, I'm gonna hit it.
All right, hit it, hit it. Woo!
Dude, every time I hit it, I'm like, should have carved it harder. But I feel like it's a fine line of like slipping out because it's so dry, getting height and not being able to bring it back. And
For me, as I'm taking off, I'm already getting nervous the landing's gonna hurt. So it's like I'm already thinking of like how uncomfortable the landing's gonna be, so I'm half whipping.
That's kind of what I do every time too, because I'm like, I should carve really hard, then I get to the lip, I'm like, all right, maybe half as hard as I'm thinking.
100%, 100%. All right, bro, you want me to go back on the Supercross track with you? Dude, he legit said he wants to do 20 more laps. A couple of those jumps I went a little far on, and I'm feeling it, and I need to lay down. I need an ice bath.
This is what it feels like to ride a dirt bike in your mid-30s. Welcome to my life, dude.
I'm hurting. I'm hurting. And he wants more from me.
The Energizer Bunny never stops.
No.
All right, well, we're gonna close it out. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Yeah, baby.
Lance,
hey,
thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Cole, for letting me rip around your bike. It's fun.
Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed 2 old retired freestyle and Supercross racers.
Does this mean I'm officially washed up?
Yes, that officially means you're washed up. Welcome to the club, brother. Welcome to the club. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe. See you later.